All right, in this graduated cylinder we have 60 grams of acetic acid or vinegar, and in this little container I've got 84 grams of sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. I'm going to combine those together, pouring this in as quickly as possible. Okay, well, maybe you can see that there's a lot of milky white looking aqueous type solid baking soda mess in there. It clearly did not fully react. If we pour that out, you can still see at the bottom there's quite a bit of baking soda down there that did not fully react. So we're going to repeat this after we think about it.